Hello?
Hey, sir, I'm here.
Okay, I'll be out there.
All right. How you doing? Pretty good. Locked yourself out of that one?
Yeah. I believe the keys are still in there.
Okay.
I'm not sure what happened to the lock.
Okay. Good morning, sir. Cam.
Jonathan.
Nice to meet you, brother. It's okay if I put this on top of the car here?
Yeah, that's fine.
Probably in that backpack, huh?
Yeah.
Probably. It's a nice little house. You like right on the corner here.
Yeah, like that.
Wish my house was right on the corner like this.
Same?
No, I wish it was.
Oh.
No, you got no neighbors to your side there.
Yeah, and not a lot of traffic.
Yeah. All right, go ahead and look for your keys, sir. Did you want this? It's just 60 today, brother.
It's 15.
Thank you, brother. Have a good one, okay?
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Let me know if you need anything else, okay?
For sure.
If you could leave me a review, that'd be great too.
Will do.
My little QR code's on there, okay? All right, brother.